In the heart of the whimsical village of Whirltown, where balloons soared and kites whisked through the breeze, lived a curious fox named Fynn and an imaginative squirrel called Sally. Fynn had fiery orange fur and a magnifying glass perpetually clutched in his paw, always eager to explore. Sally, with her bushy tail and tiny spectacles, loved to devise wild theories and daring plans. One bright morning, Fynn and Sally gathered their friends for a grand experiment. What if we could fly like the birds using nothing but our wits and a bit of magic? Sally proposed, her eyes twinkling with excitement. To add to this experiment, they invited Bibi, the wise old owl, who had traveled across the realms and knew all about gravity. Bibi's wings were speckled with the colors of countless skies, having flown over fields, forests, and distant lands. To begin their adventure, the trio headed for Whirltown's highest hill, the perfect spot for flight testing. Fynn bounced with anticipation, balancing a quirky contraption of patched-together balloons, a paper sail, and twinkling fairy lights. "This is our Believablimps," Fynn announced, pointing to the creation with pride. Bibi benched on a thick branch and began to explain, "You see, my dear friends, what keeps us grounded is something called gravity. Gravity pulls everything toward the earth. It's why we can walk and bounce, but also why flying isn't effortless." Sally nodded but was not disheartened. "That just means we need to outsmart gravity," she chirped. Together, they worked on attaching brighter balloons, bigger sails, and flowers to give a gentle, magical scent to the breeze. As they all hopped aboard, Bibi flapped his mighty wings, giving them a magnificent push-off. Up they went, laughter filling the air as their flying ship glided and twirled. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.